welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe down below. Hit that red subscribe button if you're not subscribed, pretty please. So anyways, let's go ahead and get to the video. Today we're going to be making a keychain bracelet. So what you're going to need is some wire of some sort of beads, and I'm just using these silicone ones. These from Amazon. I'll make sure to put a link down below. And then you're going to need some sort of like keychain thing. And if you're wondering why there's this red stuff on my I think it's just ink I was working like on drawing or something like that. So anyways, what you're going to do is you're going to grab your wire and cut it to about 12 inches. I forgot to mention you might need scissors, or you also might need pliers, but you probably might. So then you're going to go ahead and put a bead on of your choice, whatever choice. Then you're going to want to wrap it at the end just so it doesn't fall off in the wire a couple times, like at least twice. So there you go. Then you're going to go ahead and take the beads that you want. So now you might want a smaller bead. I'm going to use this like pinkish color bead. So, and also you might need pliers to kind of make sure it stays where you want it. Then I'm going to use that pinkish color bead. Then I'm going to change the color bead or the size. And then I'm going to use this purple bead. You might change the size or whatever. You can do like a pattern if you want to, or you can just put them on randomly if you don't really care. And just be careful when you do that. And then I'm going to use this other purplish, like lighter tinted. Then I'm going to use this blue one. And you're just going to keep adding them on. Just string them like you would like a normal string. You can do like a different sort of pattern than what I'm doing. I'm just kind of showing you guys. And then you're gonna add, what color did I just do? How about purple-ish color? Then I think I'm gonna add like a pink color after that. This one. Then I think I'm gonna add one more bead. I think I'm gonna use a green color one, but a smaller one like that. And as you can see, this is color wired that I'm using. Then now I'm gonna go ahead and add this blue, whatchamacallit, flower bead. Then I'm gonna go ahead, so this is what I have so far. I think it looks really good. So like and subscribe if you made it this far into the video. Then I'm going to add, I think, a smaller green one on the other side, just because I think that would look good together. I'm going to use a yellow one that's like textured somewhat. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel if you like these sort of videos. If you like ASMR. What else do we do? Unboxings, ASMR. There's some other videos I'm probably forgetting to mention that I've done. Then how about we do like a bigger purple one? I kind of like this so far. Then we can do another yellow. Then we'll do a pinkish one. Then once you get it to like about even, you can say, okay, I like that. Then you're going to take whatever color that you want to end it with. So I think I'm going to end it with this one. Then before you cut off the wire, you're just going to go ahead and wrap that a couple times around that bead, the wire. You can also put some clear nail polish on it if you want. Then before you cut off the wire, again, you're going to just go ahead and add this little last piece. You don't want to cut off excess wire yet. Then what you're going to do, so you're going to wrap that around a couple times, or 1 to 2 times, just through. Then you're going to take this and thread it through the hole. Then you're going to maybe grab your pliers if you have pliers. If you don't, it will still work. And then you're going to kind of pinch them together, pull them tight as you can. If you have wire, if you have pliers, not wire, because this is what we're using, it probably will work better. And then you're just going to kind of pinch it, and there you go. You have a bracelet keychain. So then you can just add these to your keys, and you can put, you also want to make sure it fits your wrist so you can add more beads or whatever. And there you go. It is super cute. So subscribe if you like this. Pretty please subscribe. And I think it looks super cute. I think it turned out super well. Then you have one of those bracelet keychains where you can like hold your bracelet, hold your keys with your bracelet. Anyways, thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. See y'all. Have a great day. Have a great, beautiful, and wonderful day. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. See y'all.